everyone, and welcome to this year's Fun and Country conference under the theme States of Mind. You have the power to shape your reality, one thought, one choice, and one attitude at a time.
But I want to urge you all to have a conversation today. Talk to somebody in the audience that you haven't met already. Have a conversation, because that's where the referral opportunities come from. Meet somebody new today and make sure you leave having made those introductions.
Well, I'd like to share a story with you today, a story that forever changed my belief as to what's possible. It's an inspirational story about resilience, perseverance, and the power of the human spirit. And maybe, just maybe, by the end, it will change the way that you look at your challenges in 2025.
If you think you can or can't, you're right. And I'm going to be saying that a lot today, because everything is in your mind. I can't do it. Well, you won't. But if you think you can or can't, you're right.
So these are some of the chaps and ladies with the best conversion of listings to sales within the business, and we're going to ask them what it is that they do in order to be able to get the results that they achieved. Specific question, is there any such thing as a bad listing? What's the most important thing for converting properties for sale to sold? And why do you think so many properties sell with the second agent?
I mean, there's one extraordinary aspect about residential property when you think about it, which is that people buy property in a way they buy absolutely nothing else, which is to ask, how much can I feasibly afford? And then they start looking around that price point. And it's absolutely fascinating. Indeed, if you want to adapt and survive, psychology is actually the best first place to look. And I'll start by telling you a brilliant story about this.
So here is the awards. The awards ceremony will celebrate all you wonderful people who are doing a fantastic work around the network.